We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Buongiorno.
Good morning.
We are in the beautiful city of Noto.
Yes.
This week we are taking you to the magnificent city of Noto, and we're going to show you what you can do just in under 2 hours. We're going to take you to the 3 most beautiful buildings in the city of Noto, so come with us. So the first place we take you to is Palazzo Ducezio, built around 1746. It is directly opposite the Basilica of San Nicolò. This is the town hall, and what a town hall it is. It was inspired by the 17th century palaces in France.
Politicians come and say what they think,
what they have to say.
and how much money they're going to. Sorry, I don't want to get into that.
That's very pretty.
So coming out of the delegation office, we step onto a beautiful balcony which overlooks the whole city of Noto. And if you walk all the way around to the back of this balcony, you can see the sea.
Oh, there's the sea.
Yes.
Nice view of the sea.
Beautiful view of the sea and the whole of Noto.
Yeah, you can see most of it from here.
What a view. Wow. This is a feast for my eyes, and I'm sure for a lot of your eyes too.
And I think we've come at the right time of the day because the lighting is very beautiful with the sun.
Beautiful. Yeah. It's, even though there are clouds, the light is just amazing. And they do call it the Golden Town, don't they?
So we did buy our tickets here at Palazzo Ducezio. We paid 10 euros per person, and with this 10 euros you could visit the 3 buildings. This was the first one.
Buongiorno.
We came back in and came into the Hall of Mirrors, which is decorated with stucco and gold, just like Louis XVI style.
Beautiful. Love the wallpaper. Oh, it's material.
Yeah.
Tapestry.
The painting on the vault depicts an allegory of Ducezio, king of the Sicily.
If you stand in front of these 2 mirrors, you have like an infinite vision. Massi's getting dizzy.
I can't see behind my head. So if I can't move my head and look at the same
I
time.
can't take him anyway.
Like that. A lot better.
So Palazzo Ducezio is the city's reception room, and it continues to host delegations and prestigious events. We're now going to go on to our second building.
A sinistra il primo ordine di parco.
Grazie.
Possiamo salire?
Solo il primo ordine di parco.
Ah, ok.
So this theatre is named after Tina di Lorenzo. You look like a very pretty lady. It's beautiful. Look.
Very pretty. Oh, look at that.
Wow. Incredible.
Amazing, wow.
I'm going to leave you here.
I'll sit and wait for the next show.
The neoclassical theatre of Tina di Lorenzo was once known as the Theatre of Vittorio Emanuele III. This is the main theatre of Noto, and the seating capacity is 308 people. This for me was the best building because it was really incredible and so well preserved and decorated.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. The actual stage is really small, but of course, opening up the curtains,
Backstage,
yeah, you probably have a lot more space. And we're in the street where they do the...
Infiorata.
That's right. So you can see like the designs on the floor, but there's no Infiorata today.
Yeah, Infiorata obviously once a year, so this is
Yeah.
basically free the rest of the year round.
But we are going to go visit the Palazzo Nicolaci di Villa Dorata. Holding onto the velvet banister. Feel very posh.
Oh, you got the red carpet as well.
The blue room.
It's because it's blue.
Very original. The blue room. That's probably the yellow room. What room is this?
Gotta be the yellow room.
This is the yellow room.
Massive chandelier.
Go on, Massi. What's the name of this room?
The billiard room.
Ah, not
Sala
the pink
del
room.
billiard, basically.
Of course, this is the view on the main road. Love these. I want them. This is the music room, of course.
Let's have a look. Yeah, exactly.
Beautiful. Now this is the ballroom, probably. La sala da ballo.
Okay, we're gonna have a dance, yeah?
We have a quick dance, Mas.
Break dance.
We're gonna have a quick dance. Massi doesn't know. Let's see.
I cannot dance.
Stick to our day jobs. Look at these paintings. Not to mention the chandeliers. Details.
You can't take the curtains
the
home.
details. You can see the sea from there.
Yeah.
The church. This is the road of the Infiorata. Wow, what a view. How close we are to these
Music in the background.
beautiful works of art. I even love the doors. My son, when I say to him, I want an old door, he goes, "Are you crazy? You need PVC. Look at this. Stunning." Someone took a bite out of that chair.
Someone got hungry.
Oh,
That's the foot of that table. Wow.
incredible. Fish.
Hmm.
Fish feet. Normally have lion feet.
Yeah.
This Baroque-style palazzo was built in 1765 for the Nicolaci family, a middle-class family from Noto who became very wealthy after the 1693 earthquake. And this palazzo showed everyone how rich they had become. This palazzo has 90 rooms and is spread over 4 floors, but not all of the rooms are open to the public. It is beautifully made with marble, stuccos, frescoes, Majolica tiles and more.
Lovely. That was really nice. So
Was.
we are quite fast. We did all three things in an hour and a half.
It shouldn't take too long,
We
really.
shouldn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't take long, no. But it was really worth it, and we would recommend.
Nice, very nice.
Yes.
I enjoyed that. Seeing different rooms and different ways people used to live a very long time ago.
Lovely.
So the bells told us it was 12 o'clock and we were starving by then. We found this bar behind the Palazzo Ducezio, Caffè Costanzo, and wow, this was absolutely delicious. It was a mushroom and ham and cheese pie, and I ordered this and I did not regret it one bit. Massi stuck to his classical arancino, and we just sat and did a lot of people watching. It was wonderful. I know. I painted this dresser literally about 5-6 months ago, but this color, there's something about this color that I really don't like. It's really cold and doesn't blend in with the rest of the house. So I've decided that's it. I am painting it. I've got plenty of free time in the evening. Massi works. And you know what? I enjoy my little DIY projects. So I've started doing it. And I really, really like the color that I've chosen this time. So happy with this color. I was exhausted last night. I went to bed and then I carried on the next morning, which I didn't film because I stayed in my pajamas all day. Anyway, I'm really happy. It's come out beautiful. The color is called tortora, which is turtle dove in English. And I just think it's so elegant and so timeless. And that's what I always try and capture, something that I'm not going to get tired of. I feel like the gray is pretty, but it's cold and it's very modern, and I wasn't happy with it. Anyway, absolutely, really, really happy with this. It really goes with the rest of the decor in the house. The gold little knobs look beautiful. I think the other big one was too big. And overall, yeah, I'm extremely happy now. Massi's just going to go and get me some really fine sandpaper, because what I do is I sand all the edges off just to make it look extra old and not as if I've just recently painted this piece of furniture. And then I'm going to give it a quick clean up and then put everything back on, and we'll be back to normal. So many old houses just left to ruin. I hope somebody buys this beautiful house and makes it come back to life. So let's pick up a recipe for doing olives from last week. Last week I lightly squashed the olives and put them in a big jar, filled them with water and left them in water for 3 days, but changing the water every single day. On the 4th day I made a salt solution and they sat in that salty water for 4 to 5 days. On the 4th day, I left it for 4 days actually. On the 4th day, I have now emptied the olives and I am going to prepare the condiment that I need for the olives. So for half a bucket of olives, which gave me a big jar and a half a big jar full of olives, I am using 2 carrots, 2 celery sticks, 3 garlics, and however much chili you like. I peel them all, wash them, and I cut them up into little cubes and I add them to the olives. Now it's the time to add your vinegar. Now here, of course, it's entirely up to you and to your taste. For instance, Massimo and I, we like our olives to be nice and vinegary. So I will add half a bottle of white vinegar. Here you have to keep on mixing it. I mean, not constantly, but obviously every time you walk into the kitchen and you see your olives, give them a good stir. Make sure that they are always covered in this lovely mixture of vinegar. So the recipe says you have to leave them for at least 4 hours. To be honest, I leave them for 24 hours. As I said, we do like vinegar. So after a day, I'll empty the vinegar, pour them into a big jar, add some olive oil, cover them with a little bit of oregano, and that's it. But wait, don't eat them straight away. The longer you leave them, the better they will taste. So I would say 2 to 3 months and then eat them for Christmas.
Jasmine is growing so well. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is exactly what I wanted it to do, just to go around the whole wooden banister. That's beautiful. I'm a little bit worried about here. It's gone a bit woody over here, and I've really done everything that they've told me to do. What's that? Piece of feather. Yeah, it's strange. The roses. I haven't seen a rose since spring. I suppose that's normal. And here's the other one. I have sprayed them with some special spray for them. And that's about it, guys. Look at these cats. Look at them. They're scared of me. I am making I think it's called a Tuscan minestrone. I'm not quite sure, but it's just so many beautiful legumes, so beans, white beans, dark beans, lentils. Then I just added some carrots, some potatoes. We're just gonna have that for lunch, which looks amazing. And then Massi has been boiling these pears in red wine with cinnamon, and such amazing smell is coming out of there. Oh my goodness.
Right.
Poached pear in red wine and plain ice cream. The smell, Massi, thank you.
You're welcome.
Amazing. So he is going to show you the recipe on Patreon. If you're interested in seeing this recipe, take a look at our Patreon page, which really helps us, and enjoy the recipe. We're going to enjoy this.
I am enjoying it. Very nice.
Oh, wow.
So this is the situation this morning. I've asked Massi to bring that light a little bit further down. I feel like it was really too high. So he's done that, but we're waiting for that to dry up and then he'll put everything back together. There's a bit of a mess everywhere. And we just had a delicious lunch. Oh, and look how lovely my credenza looks. I'm very happy. Massi, what do you think? You weren't sure about it. Oh, no, you like this colour, didn't you? I like this colour very much. Yeah, you do. You just don't like the way I've done the doors.
We won't go into that.
Because they're not done perfectly.
I like the imperfection. Look at that. It's great. What do you guys think? Give me your advice. At the end of the day, I'm still going to keep it, but it's nice to read your advice. I'm going to end the video here. I really do hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Maybe consider subscribing to one of the tiers on our Patreon page for as little as €3 a month, or join our membership on YouTube. Have a lovely day, week, and we'll see you next week. Ciao!